Hi there! This video is a website tutorial on how to use our international website. So let's start! To normally search products on a website, you click on the search bar and type in any keyword. Once you type a product name or code, some suggestions drop down. You can select the product from the drop-down suggestions and see the entire information. To see all products matching the word you type, simply type it and click on the search bar. All products matching the keywords shall appear. If you find a product that interests you, you could also check similar products by following the linked chain. You can see where the product is placed and which subcategory or category it is under in.